As I step into my home office, a rush of excitement courses through me. Today is like no other day. The digital world beckons, a realm where reality and imagination seamlessly intertwine. It's a space that bridges the gap between the physical and the virtual, a convergence of data and dreams. For engineers like me, this brave new frontier has become our playground and our workplace. Our tools have evolved from clunky keyboards and screens of the past to immersive experiences that transcend the limits of time and space. The once distant concept of the Metaverse has now become an integral part of our day-to-day lives. Each morning, I don my virtual reality headset, connecting instantly with my colleagues who are scattered across the globe. We gather in a shared virtual environment, a digital workspace that feels almost as tangible as our physical offices once did. We discuss projects, brainstorm ideas, and collaboratively solve complex problems, all while existing miles apart from each other. The lines between my personal and professional life blur as I seamlessly transition from attending a project meeting to exploring an interactive 3D model of the latest architectural design. The boundaries of the physical world dissolve, allowing engineers to shape and manipulate our surroundings with the sweep of a hand or the flick of a finger. Gone are the days of sifting through pages of technical drawings and blueprints. Now, I can walk through a digital representation of a structure before it even breaks ground. I inspect the tiniest details, adjusting materials and dimensions on the fly. This newfound level of precision not only streamlines the design process, but also opens doors to innovation previously thought unattainable. Simulations have taken on a new dimension as well. Instead of relying solely on theoretical calculations, we engineer solutions with dynamic virtual environments. I find myself immersed in simulations that replicate real-world conditions, testing the resilience of materials under extreme stress, or analyzing fluid dynamics in ways that were once confined to textbooks. This hands-on interactive approach accelerates our understanding and paves the way for more resilient designs. But the impact of this digital shift goes beyond the realm of design. Collaborative coding sessions are now a visual feast, as lines of code materialize in the air around us, enabling instant communication and rapid problem solving. Debugging becomes a shared experience, where multiple minds tackle challenges in real time, fostering an environment of constant learning and growth. In the Metaverse, innovation knows no bounds. The democratization of knowledge allows engineers from diverse backgrounds to engage with cutting-edge technologies and expertise, leveling the playing field. Virtual workshops, conferences, and training sessions are no longer hindered by geographical constraints, ensuring that knowledge flows freely and abundantly. However, with progress comes responsibility. As we reshape the world around us, ethical considerations come to the forefront. Just as engineers of the physical world adhere to codes and regulations, we must establish guidelines to navigate the ethical landscape of the digital realm. Ensuring data privacy, safeguarding against misuse, and promoting inclusivity become paramount. As I remove my VR headset at the end of a productive day, I'm reminded of the transformative journey we're on. The term Metaverse may only scratch the surface of what this new era entails for engineers. We're architects of the intangible, sculptors of the digital landscape. With every keystroke, every interaction, we forge a path into uncharted territory, shaping a world where imagination and innovation converge. In this interconnected universe, engineers aren't just creators. We're pioneers, embarking on a voyage of discovery that challenges the very essence of reality. So, as I close my eyes and rest, I can't help but wonder what new horizons await us in this exhilarating age of boundless possibilities.